Preston's Workshop. We're here at Captain Spiffy headquarters, getting it in today. So it's come to our attention that there's some customers wanting to know about how to monitor their brake fluid, how to top it off and things like that. So we thought first thing we would do is show you where it's at. So if you pay attention here, there's kind of a trick to opening this up. If you pull these cup holders towards you and push here with your thumbs at the same time, it'll pop right out, just like that. So what we have right here is our brake fluid reservoir. You can see when I put the light up to this one's full. If you were to fill it, you open it up right here, use a long tapered funnel, and top it off. While I'm in here, I want to show you your fuse block. So if you have power on your cart and your turn signals aren't working, or your headlights or your horn, this is where you would start at. This is your fuse block. So you can see it's easy to get in there and top it off. You want to make sure you use DOT3 brake fluid. Other than that, it's fairly simple to take care of. All of this pops right back together. No tools necessary. Put it back in its spot. That's it. There's a couple other things dealing with some brakes that I wanted to show you. So let's get up underneath the cart. So if your cart is making some noises similar to your brakes on your vehicle, you hear the rotors rubbing against the pads, a lot of times that's because your master cylinder is too tight. So if you take a 12mm open-end wrench and you work this nut loose, what you can do is actually twist this shaft that goes into the master cylinder and loosen that up. I could reach up here and grab that brake pedal and you can see it's now loose. But when I put the pressure on it, it pushes the plunger into the master cylinder to stop the cart. So now that I know I have it good and loose, tighten it back, and it's good to go. Another one of the issues that we've had in the past where customers thought that they had their brake pads rubbing ended up actually being these dust shields. When these get a little too close to the rotors themselves, they'll rub a little bit. So it's thin metal, and all you have to do is grab it, pull it back a little bit, and you can feel back there with your fingers how close it's actually sitting to the rotor itself. Once you have an even amount all the way around, you'll be good every time. Check both wheels, even if both of them aren't making noise, just to make sure. This one's good. Well, that's it. We're wrapping up another episode here at Preston's Workshop. We appreciate all the comments you guys are leaving, and in the future, if anybody has any questions, comments, or concerns, please let us know. You can reach us online, or you could also call us, 765-299-0433.